Installation video for our point-of-sale monitor mount. Freestanding base installation option. Peel the backing off from the adhesive pads and apply them on the bottom of the standing base on each corner. Attach the mount stand to the standing base using the provided countersunk bolts. Bolt down countertop installation option. To secure the stand to a wood countertop, place the stand in the desired location and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes through the base with a pencil. Use a 1/8 inch drill bit and drill pilot holes on the marked locations to a depth of 0.8 inches. Secure the stand to the countertop using the provided screws and washers. Attach the monitor. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your monitor's mounting holes and attach the monitor to the VESA plate. Then tighten all 4 bolts until they are secure. Height adjustment. Raise and lower the height of the screen by loosening the knob on the pole. Adjust the mount to the desired height, then tighten the knob back down. Cable management. Route cables through the openings on the side of the column.